In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view Xero invoices efficiently and easily. Whether you're new to Xero or you've been using it for a while and need a little guidance, you're in the right place. Managing invoices is a crucial part of running your business smoothly, and Xero makes this task manageable. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by navigating to your business dashboard on Xero. This is your command center, where you can access a wide array of features that Xero offers. But today, our focus is specifically on invoices. On your dashboard, look for the option labeled Business. It's usually easily found from the top menu or side navigation bar, depending on the layout of your dashboard. Clicking on Business will open up a submenu with various options, but what we're interested in is the Invoices section. Once you click on Invoices, you'll be taken to a new page within Xero. Here, you'll see a list of invoices related to your business. This includes everything from invoices you've raised and sent to clients to ones you've received from suppliers. Xero's interface is designed to be user-friendly, so navigating through this section should be a breeze. Now, this is where things get more tailored to your needs. You have the opportunity to either search for a specific invoice or choose one from the list displayed. If you're looking for a specific invoice, Xero offers a powerful search function that allows you to filter your search by various criteria like invoice date, amount, or status, whether it's paid, unpaid, or overdue. Utilizing this feature saves you time and streamlines your invoice management process, ensuring that you don't have to manually sift through your documents. For those who prefer browsing through the list, Xero organizes your invoices in a way that makes it easy to find what you're looking for at a glance. Whether it's the most recent invoice you've created or one from a few months back, navigating through your list is intuitive. Each invoice entry provides key details such as the invoice number, the client it was sent to, the date, and its current status. This snapshot information allows you to quickly identify the invoice you need to view without needing to open each one. After locating the invoice you want to view, clicking on it will bring up a detailed view. This is where you can see all the specifics of the invoice, including the items or services billed, the total amount, any notes you've added, and the payment history if applicable. It's a comprehensive look at each transaction that helps you keep track of your business's financial interactions. One thing to keep in mind while viewing your invoices in Xero is the wide array of additional actions you can take directly from this screen. Depending on the status of the invoice, you might have the option to edit it, send a reminder to the client, or even mark it as paid. These functionalities are part of what makes Xero a powerful tool for managing your business finances. Lastly, I want to share a couple of tips to make your experience even smoother. Firstly, consider regularly reviewing your invoices, as this helps with keeping a pulse on your business's cash flow and identifying any pending payments faster. Secondly, take advantage of the customizations available in Xero. You can tweak the invoice settings to match your branding, automate reminders for overdue invoices, and much more. To wrap up, viewing invoices in Xero is a straightforward process that can greatly enhance the way you manage your business finances. Remember, staying on top of your invoices not only helps you maintain a healthy cash flow, but also ensures that your business runs smoothly. So, take the time to explore Xero's invoicing features and make the most out of this fantastic tool. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. I hope this video makes managing your Xero invoices an easier part of your business operations.